Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a simple professional website for a flooring contractor quickly and easily using Mighty Sites. So Mighty Sites is a simple website builder. It's only $9 a month, so it's super cheap and affordable, and it allows you to create a simple professional website for your business. So first thing, it's got a 7-day free trial. Click on the link below to give it a try. But all you do is go in here and you select your website, your theme type. So I selected flooring contractor, and then you just put in Keegan's flooring for simplicity. Then you put in where you're located. I'm just going to put in Denver, Colorado. Then type of business, I'm going to select service business and click continue. Now, the first thing that it's going to happen is it's going to automatically generate a simple professional website template for my business. So you can see just like that, without me having to do anything, this beautiful website, it's simple, it's professional, got generated for a flooring contractor. Now from here, and you can see for customers, they can already start to envision, wow, these beautiful floors and having a beautiful floor in their home. So it gets things off to a right start. Now, you can change this at any time. You don't actually have to keep any of these images or this text, but it's generated to just make it easier for you to get started building your website. And now in just a couple minutes, I can actually finish this whole website. So let me show you what I mean. First thing you might want to do is play around with the colors. So if you want to find a color theme that works for your business, so you can click through all these different palettes, and instead of you having to, copy and paste different codes and stuff to find a color that works, you can just select through all the different color themes to find the one that you feel like best represents your business. And you can come in here and change this at any time too. So find ones that work for you, find ones that you prefer. And then when you do, just click save, and you can have a nice professional looking color template. Now the next thing you do, update any section is really easy. So I'm just gonna go in here and enter my email address, and then I'm gonna click here, show email on the site. I can put in my phone number too. So there's my phone number. Again, it just shows up really simple and easy for me. If you have any social media, like a Facebook page for your flooring contractor business, just type it in, save it, and then the logo will appear with a link to your social media too. Update this section if you want to add a menu item. So anything to your navigation, you just simply type in the text you want it to say, where you want it to link, so to a different website, to a different place on your website. If you want it to be a phone call or email, or if you want to upload a PDF, so you just type it in, add it to your menu, and save your menu. You've got new items. If you do have a business logo, I really suggest you upload it. If not, it's no problem to just leave the text, but a logo can really help make your website stand out and make it memorable. So I'll upload a logo here just to show you what I mean. But as soon as I upload the logo, I click save, and then I can make it bigger, can make it smaller, and then I can even click on this pencil here, and there's all these picture and logo editing tools built into Mighty Sites. So I can just click through any of these that I want and make a ton of different edits to my pictures and things just using the Mighty Sites system. So I'm just gonna actually go like this and crop it. And so now I'll just let that re-upload, save it, and now it kind of got rid of that white space around it a little bit. So I think that looks pretty good now for my logo. So I'll just close that. I'm gonna go to this hero section. I can change this to be whatever I want it to be. So if you just want to say, let's just say local flooring contractor. And then you can also go in here and change this button. So maybe you just want to say request free quote. And then you can choose where you want it to link. So if you want it to link to, somebody to call you when they click on that, or email you. The thing I like to do is I like to link to the lead form section. I'll show you that in a minute with that button, but I'll just save that. Update section. If I click on this, now it brings them right here to fill out their form on my website. So it makes it really easy to generate leads for my business too. Again, there's this update section. I can change any of the text. So if I want to just write in here, this is how you make a website for a flooring contractor. See, so that was really easy to do. Maybe I want this button, maybe I want it to say call today, and then choose where it links, and I'll just choose maybe I just want somebody to call me. If I click on that, click confirm, save, and now if somebody clicks on that, it'll call me immediately. And then if I ever want to check out what it looks like without these update section, I can just click on stop editing, and now I can see what a customer is going to see, which is how this nice professional looking website looks without like an update section button. And then if I go down here, just type in my name, my email address, and then I'll type in my phone number. And then I'll just type in my messages. I'll type in like, I am in need of a flooring contractor. So as soon as I do that, click send. And great, thank you, your message has been sent. And so if this is your website then, and a customer just did that, you'll get an email letting you know that you have a new lead for your business. And if I go back here to the site dashboard, I'll see a new lead right here. So I'll click on the email I get from Mighty Sites. I'll go here and I can see all the contact information that somebody sent through to me. You can also connect to custom domains. So if you have a domain through GoDaddy, Google Domains, any of those, you just copy and paste it in here. There's simple instructions for what you need to do with your registrar to make it connect. And then once that's done, you've got a simple professional website for $9 a month. You really can't beat it. Click on the link below this video to start your 7-day free trial. And good luck with your flooring contractor business and creating a new, nice professional website to help get your business noticed online and to act as your nice professional online business card.